Changzhou YUBO Electronic Scale Company Limited, founded in 2006, is located in Changzhou City, New Developing District. The plant covers 25 acres. Building area is up to 15,000 square meters. YUBO is a well-known comprehensive scale manufacturer who can independently research and manufacture several categories of products, such as truck scales, floor scales, bench scales, pallet scales, axle weighing scales, crane scales, explosion-proof scales, and automatic systems, weighing components, indicator, load cell. YUBO is a member of China Weighing Association, and she is also one of high-tech enterprise at Changzhou City, even in Jiangsu Province. Successively, it obtained top 10 best-selling brand of China weighing apparatus manufacturing, top 30 distributional firms of China weighing apparatus manufacturing, a demonstration company of quality and credit double promised, and many other honors. YUBO products have entered international market overall. Many customers who come from more than 80 countries and regions have established extensive business cooperation with YUBO. Nowadays, YUBO will continue following the strategy of internationalization, the science technology, pluralism, service development, organize and adjust all of the resources reasonable, in order to step from single stationary electronic weighing manufacturers to comprehensive weighing manufacturing enterprise, and to become a real famous, excellent weighing apparatus manufacturing enterprise in China, and aspires to be one of new industry benchmarkings.